Hey there, Aaron with DJ Gardner Homes. I am doing something a little different today. We're deviating from our normal stick-built adventures we go on. Behind me, we have a 3D printed house coming out of the ground. This is definitely a new era when we get to watch 3D printed homes being built right in front of us. This technique or process is completely different. Think of it like a big 3D printer taking a home vertical. This is definitely something different, something we're keeping our eye on as a custom home builder to see how we can bring techniques like this into the builds that we're doing and to see if we can improve the overall build process, bringing new technologies into home building. Keep your eye on this. This is going to be something new and exciting for you to see in the future.
Hi, I'm Lisa Raymond with DJ Gardner Homes, and I'm here today at a remarkable event. We're actually watching 3D printing of this 1,000 square foot home behind us. So take a peek.
Hats off to Nan with Fortify for being the first to bring this technology to California. They printed the footings and foundation within a couple of days, and what we're looking at here is a day's work. The walls, once they are done, will have electrical and plumbing installed within the wall cavities. They almost look like a big cinder block. Once the plumbing and electrical are done, the walls are filled with an expandable foam, which creates an R rating to meet the efficiency requirements. And speaking with the inventor of the 3D printer, he made a comment that these homes will be more efficient and last longer than all of us that were there to view the homes. And these homes you can pass on to your children and their children based on the quality of construction. Pretty amazing.